साई 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 निस्दिन साई साई साई
सुमिरो साई 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 निस्दिन साई साई साई
सुमिरो साई 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 निस्दिन साई साई साई
कीर्तन साई 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 पूजन 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 साई साई साई
Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Good morning, Bay. आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
Namaskar.
वनकम,
Namaskara.
खुशामदीद,
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल,
Meek Andriki Vandanamu.
जय स्वामी नारायण,
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय जिनेंद्र,
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंदों को बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बनजान, हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा माई सेल्फ आलतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Altu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's going to make it totally exciting and hopefully totally मस्तानी बन जाने.
True that बनजान, and of course आपको बोल दें कि welcome to Mars.
Mars? ऐसे क्यों लगा रहा है आलतू बाबा music?
In alien planet. Just kidding, Banjan. ये जो है ना, actually yesterday was total like the orange planet, right?
Oh, it was terrible.
People
dude.
said no, but like people like oh it's like Mars and everything. Like, one of those movies of Mars. Have you seen the movie Mars where Matt Damon goes put it off from his fecal matter?
Yeah.
Well,
From his fecal matter, he doesn't grow.
he uses fecal matter as fertilizers, Fatrani.
As fertilizer, yes, why not?
But still, he has a potato. Potatoes. So सबके अंदर potato है.
What nonsense he talks.
Well, the point is, actually, I was actually listening to a particular show which talked about some experts who came in and said that actually it's not like Mars. I believe it looks something like Venus.
No.
Because
Oh,
of the
yeah?
clouds and everything, yeah.
That's even worse.
Yeah, but actually there's science behind it also. But why it was, by the way, let me tell you one thing. Yesterday air quality was okay, not moderate. But today is a dangerous day, is what they're saying. Because the particles are settling down to the surface right now. So
Exactly.
and the microscopic particles you got to be very mindful about. But then yesterday, of course, you had the ash, which we could see. Fine ash, we were able to see it. But the thing is, what creates a bigger problem is that the microscopic particle of the ash, which is almost like 1/100th the portion of our hair, right? And that goes into our bloodstream is when we have complications and everything. So we've got to be careful. Today, please wear masks. Yes, what happened?
And it's also those of you try to keep your pets indoors as well. Apparently this is very harmful for pets as well because pets go sniffing in the bushes and
Yeah.
ash is settling everywhere. So it's not safe. The air quality specifically, if it can affect you, it can affect your pets as well. So
Oh
they're
my
saying keep your
goodness.
pets
So
indoors.
probably one day you have to make sure you can clean up after them inside the house.
Huh?
But the sad part is some pets don't do anything in the house, Fatrani. They have to hold and poor things.
Yeah, well, you can not clean up after them inside the house, and you can just take them for if they want to do their business, but not on whatever.
Well, some people actually houses have skunks in them already, so that's okay. Well, but just inside joke, it's a different thing we'll talk about later on. But right now, let me tell you what's happening on the roads with Raste Ka Haal Ekdam Total Saste Mein. Aaj September 10th hai. And wishing a Faltoni very, very happy birthday, Falto!
Woohoo! Thank you, Aldo.
Yeah, people didn't know about that. Today actually is the day after Akshay Kumar's birthday. It's Faltoni's birthday.
Yes.
Both are pretty much same quality. Only thing Akshay Kumar is more disciplined, gets up in the morning at 4:30. Faltoni is pretty much very good, awesome. So, Bananjan,
What? Oh, so I'm not disciplined according to you.
who said the
No, I'm
Faltoni?
not. I'm not
Well, it's okay. It's fine to be disciplined on Faltoni.
Yes,
Anyway,
but Jen, what can you expect from Alto Baba? The first deriding comment as soon as you wake up in the morning.
are you
Wow.
going to cry right now, Faltoni?
Oh yes, I'm already crying. This eye is watering so much. This air quality is really bad.
I thought you got
Gunjan.
emotional because of the gifts I didn't get you.
Yeah, right.
Well, but anyway, the point is, अभी गरीब लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? But जब COVID का situation है, हमारे लिए बहुत ही hard हो रहा है. But doesn't matter. Let's tell you one thing. What's going to happen right now, Bajan? We're going to give you updates of the traffic, update about the local, what's happening over here. Atmosphere-wise, you saw it also. Today is going to be yellow day, as opposed yesterday was orange day. One of our bandhus on Facebook, actually, Sai, he put it on. He put a thing saying that today is going to be yellow day.
Huh?
Yeah, he said that the sky looks yellow. I was like, what really?
Yellow?
It doesn't look yellow actually.
It doesn't.
It doesn't. It looks grey, something dirty color. Yesterday was a nice hue of orange actually. I could see orange hues in different places.
No, but it wasn't a nice hue. What the heck?
I
are you talking
loved it.
about?
Yesterday was like a wonderful day. I felt like I was going on a holiday in some kind of foreign planet.
Huh?
Yeah, I felt that way. Also, when you go to mediamahima.com, Faltani, I've actually posted some photographs of all the people who have posted different places of how the skies looked.
Right.
Yeah, and also I also posted a particular watch. It's called Climate Watch video, where actually there are multiple cameras around the Bay Area. Where actually they have utilized these cameras to catch the air quality part of it.
Wow,
Yeah,
really?
you can see the different hue of all the oranges there. Anyway, Banjo, I'll come to that anyways. But traffic के बारे में बात करते हुए हम लोग आपको बोलेंगे अभी ट्रैफिक का अपडेट आने वाले हैं. रास्ते का हाल लीजिए आपके लिए पेश है absolutely सस्ते में.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408 912 2479.
Again, 408-912-2479 number to call you. Banjan, क्या हो रहा है रास्ते पे? I don't know about रास्ते में. 80 पे कुछ चल रहा है वहाँ पे. There's fog advisory on 80 east and westbound. Bay Bridge, so watch out for that. Similarly, one more bridge is Golden Gate Bridge, is 101. There also is again a fog advisory over there. I don't see many accidents. Very good. Only for one accident, which is actually on the 880 northbound, exiting at Oak Street in Oakland, which actually has formed a huge backup. It's really huge, but I'm not kidding. The backup has somehow all the way until wow, it's pretty big. It's let me see. It actually doesn't seem. It seemed to be moving. Traffic is moving. Now I don't know if the backup is because of the accident. Because the accident is exactly right there, and after that comes the backup. It's all the way from. I'm trying to find the street where you actually can tell you where it is starting from. So it starts off from the High Street se leke all the way until the particular Oak Street. There's a backup over there, but almost like 4 exits has been impacted because of particular accident. I hope it's everybody safe, and not least who. I hope nothing serious in the particular place. Watch out for that. Drive very carefully. Other freeways are all pretty much looking smooth. They are open. They actually seem to be moving. Traffic is moving. That's a positive note for us. And right now, Banjan, let's tell you what. I generally would go into the headlines today. But Faltani, biggest headline for everybody who hears the Bay Area is that it's your birthday.
Oh my God, Alta Baba.
Hello, namaskar. Aapka haal Pam. Good morning, baby. Who's this?
Pam Pam.
Pam Pam.
Pam Pam.
मैं जेटी खेड़ा बोल रहा हूँ जी.
Khera Saab, I knew you'd be calling us.
Good morning, Khera Saab. How are you?
Good morning and many happy returns of the day.
देखा फाल्तुनी headlines में उन्होंने पढ़ लिया अभी. The biggest thing happening in the Bay Area, Balja.
Consider it a surprise.
I know.
मैं surprise तो नहीं दे सकता, but this is a biggest surprise.
Yeah,
Oh,
him
thank you,
actually
thank you
calling
so
in on the show is a surprise, Faltwani.
Oh, thank you so
Isn't
much.
that a great surprise?
I know, seriously.
And आज का ताज़ा खबर जीपी खेड़ा ने हमारे शो पे कॉल कर दिया. That's a taza khabar for everybody right now.
Yeah.
Use headlines.
Yeah.
But Khera sir, thank you so much. So sweet. Definitely don't forget to bring the cake afterwards, okay?
Ah?
Just kidding. Just kidding. आप एक काम
I'm
करो.
having you a cake right now.
नहीं वो क्या है ना कि आज कोविड सिचुएशन में ब्रदर क्या होता है कि we know people can't come in and congregate and everything, so I would suggest everybody please get a cake for yourself, cut it, eat it at home itself, and give wishes to Faltwani. What is okay, Faltwani?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll buy you cake separately, Faltwani.
Thank you very much, Alta Baba.
Thank you
very
so much, Collins Khera Saab, and let's go see what's the next headline. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Namaskar, welcome to the Good Morning Bay. And what's the second headline? Hello?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kavita and Falgu. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, very good.
Uh-huh.
Now, इसके ऊपर छोड़ देंगे कि आप guess करो कौन कौन थे इसमें.
Sam ji, Jesse ji, और कौन है? I don't know. Shreyansh है क्या?
Shreyans,
Yeah,
you couldn't
yeah.
hear a melodious voice.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you.
The melodious voice there was Jesse ji and Shreyansh. The other voice was my voice, Karkash voice, like, you know. But he also the melodious voice, by the way.
Yeah.
Hey,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Made my day.
Hello?
Yeah, have a great day. Not taking a lot more airtime.
No. Yeah, no, COVID situation, please, everybody celebrate at your homes.
Have a nice day, Kavita.
हाँ हाँ
Thank you so
Love you.
much.
हाँ.
Love you too.
तो
Thank you so much.
रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल बंधुस इंक्लूडिंग यू परम जी जैसे जी आप अपने घरों में अपना केक काट लीजिएगा और हमें बस फोटोग्राफ भेजिएगा आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ नाइस कोलाज गिव इट कोविड सिचुएशन में ऐसे होता है फालतू में।
चलेगा एनीवे मैं
Yeah.
12 बजे तक कुछ नहीं खा सकती अभी।
Yeah, there is absolutely nothing. Yeah.
I know.
Good job.
But yeah, thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir.
guys.
Thank
Love you
you
guys.
so
Thank you so much. And of course, Bajan, right now, what we're going to do is, अगर आप लोग को अगर अभी तक if I don't give you the headlines, what you're going to say is, oh my God, what is this, Altu Baba? You're not making Faltu and Nuni work. No, just kidding. Faltu, you slow taking out the thing. But anyway, Bajan, let's see what's happening. The headlines. हाँ, काफी से headlines है. Starting from what happened with the climate over there. Faltu, any news about that? Are you going to share something about that? Also, I'm very curious to know what's happening with COVID.
There's a lot of stuff going on with COVID also.
So, what are the headlines? Can you share some headlines and we can come back for the news detail afterwards?
Yes, more than 900,000, I think, coronavirus cases now in terms of global death toll from coronavirus, Banjan. And countries like France, UK, and Indonesia are considering or having to implement renewed restrictions to stop the spread at this point.
Oh my God.
Yeah. In the US, schools are struggling to contain cases. Colleges in 50 states have reported coronavirus cases.
Wait. This is after they actually opened up for
Yeah.
business.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah. And then more than 2,000 students and faculty at the University of Tennessee are under quarantine or isolation due to COVID-19 threats. And there are similar stories on campuses across the nation. As for a vaccine, the International Transport Association says providing doses worldwide will be the mission of this particular century.
Yeah. And of course, I think speaking of those schools opening and all, I think
Yeah.
there also is a blog post on Media Mahima. Go check it out. Baljan. It's about the schools closing and some directives of some schools having some what do you call that waiver to be able having some in-person classes. I don't know. Will that affect it by any chance? Will this news flash affect that particular decision of theirs?
Well, no, not really, Altu Baba. Yesterday, finally, so there was a webinar that we were part of, Panajan, and the CDPH guide. The CDPH came in, when we say CDPH, I'm talking about the California Department of Public Health. They, along the acting health officer and, of course, Tony Thurman, who's the state superintendent, they conducted a joint webinar kind of thing to kind of explain how the health guidance is going to affect schools reopening. It wasn't very clear in the webinar, but later on, there was a messaging that came out. There was a press release that they sent, Altu, which came out late yesterday about the exact guidance. And the guidance is that if there are vulnerable students, that is, students who are low income, where families are not able to teach them and stuff like that, and at the same time special education students, that it is possible to
Get waivers.
not waivers. The cohorts can start as of the next week. So
the details will provide you again, Baljan. Like, what else we have a headlines?
a U.S. intelligence official was a whistleblower who was told to halt Russian 2020 election meddling threat assessments, according to this whistleblower.
Wait. So it means that they were asked to stop any kind of policing on those.
Yes.
Oh.
They were not supposed to report on that, and apparently they were not even supposed to report on the death of American soldiers being killed by Russia paying in Taliban in Afghanistan to get American soldiers
Yeah,
killed.
that actually was headlines which shared some time ago, Balanjan. If you remember, the stories there on Media Mahima, also go check it out. Somehow it got swept under the rug, but right now the whistleblower's coming out. So good, okay.
Right. And then AstraZeneca expects COVID vaccine results by year end if trials resume. Senate.
Wait, trials have stopped.
Yeah. For now. Senate to vote on Republican coronavirus aid bill opposed by the Democrats. Wall Street has edged higher on a tech boost, but Tesla's shares are taking a beating. We'll talk a little bit more about that if we have time. Citigroup's Jane Fraser becomes the first ever woman to head a Wall Street bank. Woohoo! And then Citroen pitches a car at the TikTok generation. And in the India-China border dispute, Banajan, some updates from there. The Indian army occupies heights overlooking Chinese army positions at Finger Four along the Pangong Tso Lake. They've gone to a higher position. And live updates from the Kangna Ranaut Shiv Sena case. Kangna Ranaut has now gone ahead and she's saying she's going to work from the office that they tore down just to prove a point. And she says she should be compensated at this.
I think she should be. When I say that thing, I'm saying it because nobody has the right to do that. Okay, whatever you say, right? It's not fair. And
Yeah.
Even the High Court actually is going to be looking into this. We'll talk about that as we get into the budget. Lekin abhi ke liye ek nice song, Father, is a song dedicated to you because I see that in you always. You are my Aladdin. I'm your jinn. मैं धुरा तेरे बिन फातवानी.
Oh, thank you.
नाच
Abdul
मेरी
Hussain.
जान होके मगर तू. This is a message for you, Faltu, from your dear Altu. Hey, your dear Altu. And of course, Banjan, that was a song which actually I'm going to be playing for Faltwani in the back end. Faltwani, I just want to say thank you, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you for being born. And yes, actually goes to all credit goes to your creators, of course. Tareef kya karu uski jisne tujhe janam diya. That song is for you, Faltwani, totally.
Thank you so much, Altu Baba.
Yeah, लेकिन भुगत नामे पड़ता है, but doesn't matter. I still love it.
भुगतना तुम्हें पड़ता है.
मतलब, yeah, it's interesting, yeah, come on. But again, I remember all these things, Faltwani. We have done a lot of things together. Faltwani is my, what do you call that? I'm giving this the first thing in the morning for Faltwani. Very happy to be part of, your workforce,
Workforce.
Yeah. Of course, she's the boss. She's the one who doesn't sign my checks.
No, but Jan,
They don't check
I'm
it.
the one who does the work. He's the one who gets forced to
That's
do the
true.
work.
She's the work and I get forced for doing the work. But anyway, it's wonderful, Faltwani. I just want to say that, it's been I just love the fact that, you're there. Every time I have to disturb somebody, it's nice. Thank you for being that way.
Yeah.
And wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Tell us one wish that you want to happen and I'll just say to be it. So be it, Faltwani.
Thank you, Altu.
What do you want? Do you want world peace?
No,
You want actually make sure Tesla gives you a...
I just want everybody to find peace within themselves. That's
So
all.
be it, Faltwani. That's so sweet of you.
Yeah.
That's why, I was going to give you a gift, but I decided, no, what will I give for somebody who has the best thing in the world?
That is
My
you.
company.
I knew that.
Wow.
I knew it.
What?
I knew it.
No, I'm going to say, God bless you, wonderful. I won't get time to say all these things. on
It's
the show
time for the
because all
Bandu
buses are
traffic
going
update.
afterwards.
Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Birthday, Faltwani. Have a wonderful day. It's going to be yellow outside. But don't worry, this dirty fellow always going to be here. Okay?
No, we'll paint it red, so it'll become
We
orange.
painted orange yesterday.
Yeah.
But no, we don't got all this, but the people already are scared of what's happening outside. But anyway, that was a song for you, Faltwani. I hope you enjoyed and danced for it.
Yes, I did.
Right, very good. So, hoke Nach Meri Jaan Faltu, hoke Magan Tu. Tara, 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 tara. Yes, Faltwani, exactly my sentiment song to you, Faltwani, total.
I know, Altu Baba.
Yeah, I can imagine both of us doing kasat in that thing,
Yeah.
Like, holding that dumbbell, you hitting me with that dumbbell and all stuff.
No, eh?
Yeah.
What nonsense.
Yeah, such a nice song, It totally talks about a relationship, Faltwani.
Yeah.
The way, you push me off the cliff and I jump off and all those things. What?
I push you to do better for yourself.
What better?
Yeah, I got my best gift today, Altu Baba.
Oh, I wished you in the morning?
No.
Oh.
No.
What?
I
smiled in the morning?
I got some beautiful messages from some of my allies. Beautiful personal messages. It made me cry, really. It was so sweet. So thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you to Shreya. Thank you to Michelle. Thank you guys for those beautiful messages. It was very, very thoughtful and
So
very, very sweet.
That's very nice and
Yeah.
very sweet. Well, actually, Faltwani, I think, I also want to tell our bandhus that, we actually want to say that it's a moment of pride for us because Faltwani has got a citizenship award recently, and that's wonderful, all the hard work which you did.
Thank you.
In this
I've
space.
been a citizen for a few
Citizenship
years.
award, a recognition.
Oh,
I don't know if you got the message.
I did. Yesterday I saw it.
Yeah, and Office of Cancer actually gave that award for her because of the exceptional work she done in the space of special needs and everything. Banajan, yes, I'm taking this time of our news. Come on, news to rahega. Don't worry, come back to that thing. In fact, she also daring to give the news for you guys. You can make out her face like, wow, Altu Baba, you never let me do what I want to do. But Faltwani, if I let you do what you want to do, will that be me?
No, it won't
It
be.
won't be me. So I won't be doing justice to what I am. So, Banajan, anyways, so I wanted to just share this with you, Faltwani. Wishing very happy birthday. Whatever cake you eat it, but save some for me is what I request you to do.
Altu, I would say please save some for me.
What?
Because you would buy the cake and you would cut the
Hey,
cake
you are
yourself.
actually following the route of
Intermittent fasting?
yeah, and I've actually ordered the cake to come delivered at after 8:30 actually
8:30 in the morning?
evening.
Oh, why?
Because that time you start the fasting again, no?
Oh, God.
Well, I was going to order it in the morning, but morning anyway till 12 o'clock you won't be eating. So because she's doing that the 16-8 Banajan, so I got to be mindful of that, right? I'm a very mindful person. I make sure that I give it to you. I'll make sure you achieve your dreams, Faltwani.
Okay,
But don't worry, I'll eat the cake in front of you.
That's okay, Altu Baba.
I'll eat it for you also.
If you eat, my stomach will be full. That's fine.
What? Full of
Yeah.
what? Acidity. Well, but just the music is telling that we want to go see what's happening with news in detail. So, Faltwani, please, what do you have with news in detail for us?
Well, Microsoft recently alerted one of the Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden's main election campaign advisory firms that it has been targeted by suspected Russian state-backed hackers. According to 3 people briefed on the matter, the hacking attempts targeted staff at Washington-based Knickerbocker, a campaign strategy and communications firm working with Biden and other prominent Democrats over the past 2 months, the sources have said. And a person familiar with Knickerbocker's response to the attempt said the hackers failed to gain access to the firm's networks. They are well defended and there has been no breach, the person has said. But we all know that this was, bound to happen, and it's been happening consistently over the past 2 years, Punjab. Acting U.S. Homeland Security Chief Chad Wolf told a former top aide to stop providing assessments of the threat of Russian interference in the election and to play down U.S. white supremacist activity, according to a whistleblower complaint released on Wednesday.
Wow.
Yeah, and despite this, the Republicans are backing Donald Trump.
You know, I'll tell you one thing, Faltwani, according to the people who support Supreme Leader
Yeah.
Trump, who's the whistleblower? We want to know.
God, I'll
What? I'm sure he'll come out and say, ha!
There's a
it's just
reason why it's a whistleblower complaint, Panajan, because it is somebody who's being asked to do something which is anti-American. It's not right.
Whoa, excuse me. How will we ever send them threat notes if we don't know who the person is?
Well,
Tell you one thing. How can we ever try to trample them? How can we ever stop them from saying anything? How can we, subdue the voices if we don't know who the person whistleblower is? This is not fair. Unfair media. I'm sorry.
that is sarcasm, Panajan. Please don't get played into his rhetoric. It's sarcasm, actually.
Hello, I'm trying to see the light of our Supreme Leader. Okay?
Okay.
Fake news.
Okay, can I continue?
Please.
Brian Murphy, a former Homeland Security Deputy Undersecretary for Intelligence, said in the complaint that Wolf told him in May, he has come out and he has said who he is, by the way, in mid-May to begin reporting instead on political interference threats posed by China and Iran and to highlight the involvement of left-wing groups in domestic disorder. That's what he was told. The instruction had come to Wolf from the White House National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien. Murphy cited Wolf as saying the White House and Department of Homeland Security have both denied these claims. AstraZeneca should still know by year-end whether its experimental vaccine protects people against coronavirus as long as it is clear to resume trials soon, its chief executive said on Thursday amid doubts over its rollout.
You might wonder why we're sharing information for you guys, Paranjan. Economy is opening up. Business are opening for business, as in because jobs have to go on. But
Right.
please remember, it does not mean the threat of COVID is gone. I'm not trying to keep you scared, but just be mindful. Wear a mask. Even atmosphere-wise, you have to wear a mask because of the smoke and everything. And maintain the 6 feet distance, physical distancing. Even for the matter of Faltwani's birthday, we are being mindful. We're asking you to celebrate the birthday at your homes with the cakes. You can parcel the leftover cakes to me if you wanted later on. I can eat it afterwards. But the point is, stay home.
And also, Vanjan, we will share an NBC News video that they shared about eye irritation and eye problems that the ash and the poor air quality is causing. Yeah, there's
So if your eyes are irritating, like, if you're having like tears coming out, it's not because you're emotional. Probably you have something with the smoke, right?
It could be. It could
Yeah.
be the poor air quality, and people who are experiencing eye irritation, like I am right now, for the past 3 days, Vanjan, since the air
I thought
quality.
it's emotional because I wished you a happy birthday.
No, Alta Baba, no, it's not. Well, I'm not emotional because you wished me. I'm emotional because all our darling bandhus wished me. It's your Janma Siddha, whatever. No, my Janma Siddha Adhikar to expect happy
Nothing
birthday
from-
from you.
Oh, expect so good.
Well, either ways, let's tell you that the government's desperate to put an end to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has caused more than 900,000 deaths and huge economic and social disruption during 2020, and are pinning their hopes on this particular vaccine. However, British drug maker AstraZeneca suspended late-stage trials on its potential vaccine this week after an illness in the participant in Britain who was reported to be suffering from symptoms associated with transverse myelitis, a rare spinal inflammatory disorder. So that they basically said that the World Health Organization also flagged the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is being developed in the University of Oxford, as the most promising for coronavirus. So once they resume, hopefully they'll have something. And in some other news, the Democrats are opposing the coronavirus aid bill that's being proposed by the Senate Republicans. They will be voting on it today. They're providing about $300 billion in new coronavirus aid, far below the $3 trillion that the Democrats insist is needed to stimulate an ailing economy and help people struggling through the pandemic, which is absolutely true.
Yeah, but the point is all the money goes somewhere else. It doesn't help people. So in a way, I think
Well-
the Senate is right.
Well, that's the reason that they're doing the oversight committee is conducting investigations as to now they've started to conduct as to what's happening with the money, because most of the money went to Trump-backed organizations apparently. And also, if you remember, we shared recently that it's the same companies under different divisions and different names who got majority of the monies.
Yeah, and
They-
banks actually gave it to people who they liked,
who already were,
on good books with them.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wall Street S&P 500 edged higher in volatile trading today as investors cautiously bought heavyweight tech-related stocks after a recent sell-off, while awaiting more coronavirus fiscal aid among growing evidence of a choppy economic rebound. The FANG stocks were, that is Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, all this were up about 1.1%. And also, Bandajan, in news from India, let's tell you, I want to leave you with some juicy news. Okay, a high intense drama unfolded yesterday after Kangana Ranaut landed in Mumbai from her home state Himachal Pradesh amid protests by Shiv Sena workers at the airport over her remarks on Mumbai police. Although the court stayed the demolition process of her office, the actress has been taking on the Sena government of movie mafia through social media. And right now, the actor says that they don't. The actress says they don't have money to renovate it, so she's going to work from the ravaged office. And apparently, a police complaint has been filed against Kangana Ranaut.
Hey, leave it to the movie stars to actually create drama.
Yeah.
Don't worry. She actually can see her through the broken crevices of her office.
Yes.
I'm sure there's going to be media and memes coming out of the thing.
Yeah. So now a hashtag that's trending on Twitter is Kangana versus Uddhav.
Ah,
So that's.
when did that become Uddhav suddenly? It was Bollywood. Now suddenly it's going to become the
It's Uddhav Thackeray. that-
politics.
Yeah, so they're saying that. So this is so funny, right? They're saying BJP is backing her because she's going to topple the Shiv Sena-backed anti-BJP government
And
there.
Shiv Sena's is actually in coalition with Congress, by the way.
Yeah.
Hey, the point I'm making here is, of course, there's a conspiracy right there, Faltwani.
Huh.
Did you know Uddhav Thackeray actually has a stake in a particular game called FAU-G?
Oh, I didn't know
It
that.
actually is a reply to, it's the Desi version of
PUBG.
PUBG,
Yeah.
which actually is a game for fighting game.
Yeah.
And guess what?
Huh.
The particular game was initially...
No, it wasn't. They debunked those rumors.
No, I said it initially was supposed to be launched by Akshay Kumar.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Sushant Singh Rajput.
No,
There's
no,
like,
no, no, no,
There's
no.
like some
Yeah, there was
stories, fake news stories.
Fake news, not fake news, I would say rumored stories about it, nothing. But of course, the point I'm making here is there is a big connection between Bollywood and him.
Yeah.
That's why.
Right.
Uddhav Thackeray, yeah.
Yeah. That's all we have for you in this morning's Good Morning Babe and Jan. Thank you to our bandhus who called in. And we will see you tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show, the most happening evening drive. तब तक के लिए नाच मेरी जान होके मगन तू छोड़ के सारे चिंतु परंतु
Chintu Parantu.
परंतु sorry my bad.
Happy birthday, Faltwani.
Thank you.
गगन तू छोड़